This is question number 3 on the November 2014 calculator paper. Okay, so looking at question 3, it says f is equal to 3g plus 7h. And we've got part A, work out the value of f when g is minus 5 and when h is 2. So this is a substitution question. They want us to replace g with minus 5 and h with 2. You need to make sure you understand what 3g means. 3g means 3 times g, and 7h means 7 times h. So in order to work out f, I'm going to do 3 times what g is. G is minus 5, plus 7 times what h is, which is 2. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times minus 5 is going to be minus 15. Plus 7 times 2 is 14. I need to work these two out, and minus 15 plus 14 is going to be minus 1. So f is equal to minus 1. A pretty straightforward question there. To make sure we can do it, you're going to get full marks in that part, full 2 marks for that. Part B simply says to factorize. Now factorize, remember, means to put it into brackets or pull out a common factor. If you look at this expression, what's common to 3x and 6? 3 can go into both of those. So I'm going to set up a set of brackets. I'll have 3 outside. There's no letters common to both of them. So 3 times what would give me 3x? 3 times x. Plus 3 times what would give me 6? 3 times 2 is 6. So that's what I'm going to put in the answer space. 3 brackets x plus 2. Okay, let's go on to part C. If I move this forward. In part C, the question says to expand and simplify. Now you should be familiar with these type of questions where they say expand and simplify. Expand means to multiply out the brackets, and simplify means to then tidy them up. So let's multiply out the brackets. 5 times y is 5y, minus 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 times y is 2y, and 2 times, or minus 2 times 3 is 6. So I've expanded there, and that is correct, and you will get 1 mark for that as long as you've done the expansion correctly. We then need to simplify, and simplify means to bring together the y's and bring together the numbers that are on their own. So we have 5y and positive 2y. So remember, the signs are what is attached in front of it. So we've got 5y, which is positive, plus 2y, which is going to be 7y. I've then got minus 10 and minus 6, and together they're going to be minus 16. Okay, so my final answer, 7y minus 16. You should be able to do that. That should not be much of a problem to you at all. Part D says to simplify. M to the 5 times m to the 3. This is an easy mark here, and you should know that as long as the bases are the same, in this case m and m, you add the powers. So this is going to be m to the power of 5 plus 3, which is m to the power of 8. Okay, make sure you can do that. And then finally part E, in this case we're doing a division, and again the bases are the same, p and p. So this is going to be equal to p to the power of 6. In this case, we take away the powers. 6 take away 2. So my answer is going to be p to the power of 4. Make sure you can do this. This is a question that's worth 7 marks altogether. If you understand this question and you do it and you get all the marks, this is going to help a great deal towards getting that grade you deserve.